Question number 3 is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. That means the columns what we make with 32 members and 616 members, that should be same. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. So what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Maximum number of columns we have to find out from these two figures, 616 and 32. They should be equal and it should be maximum. That means we have to find a number which can divide 616 and 32 completely. I mean these two, that number should divide these two completely, and that should be the maximum, highest number which divides these two. That means we have to calculate here the highest common factor of 616 and 32. This is an application problem of Euclid's division lemma. This is the application, and as such it is written what is the maximum number of columns. So maximum means we have to calculate highest common factor. Highest common factor, or GCD, greatest common divisor of 616 and 32. That is how we will calculate. So 600 we can calculate it by factorization by method. That means by applying Euclid's division lemma. First let us find the prime factors of 616, and that is 2 square into 7 into 11 to 2. 2 cube you can write. Then 32, you know, 2 square into 2 square into 2. That is 4 4s are 16, 2s are 32. Same way when you multiply you will get 616. So highest common factor will be, common factor, these 2 square, this is common and this is common, these two. There is no other figure common. So once again I'll explain this, how it is to be done, how to find out the common factors. So this if you write together, 2 cube into 7 into 11, and this is 2 to the power 5 altogether. So for finding common factor HCF, we have to find out pick up only the common factors but with least exponent. So here common factor is only 2 and the least exponent is 3. So that is to be picked. So that will be 2 cube and that becomes 8. 2 cube is 8. So this is your answer. So what is the maximum number of columns? So your answer is maximum number of columns will be 8. 8 columns can be made. That means 8 divides 616 and 32 completely. So this should be the answer. 8 columns.